Welcome to COJUSD Google Certified Student Level 1 Scenario 5B. In this scenario, Lana is applying to colleges and wants her emails to look more professional and contain additional contact information by adding an email signature. Which of the following is an example of a professional looking email signature that will look good when communicating with a college admissions officer? So in scenario 5A, we went over how to set up your email signature. And the email signature that we set up in this one is a good example of of a professional looking email signature. What this will do, it will end every email with your first and last name and information about you. In this case, Lana is a high school student, so we put her high school name here, their graduating class, and we put additional contact information. So in this case, we put a personal email address in addition to the school email that she would be using here. So this is a very professional looking email address. So always remember first and last name. Because you're a student, put your school, put your graduating class, and maybe a personal email address is always a good idea. Here's an example of one that would not look good. So if I was to delete this one here, and if I put Lana, the homegirl, Catella Clan life, hit me up on Insta at Lana the homegirl. So right here, this is more of an unprofessional version of an email signature. A college admissions officer would see this and not possibly think that Lana is serious about college, talking about maybe her what she does in her extracurricular activities that may not sound very professional or school appropriate. You probably want to stay away at this time from your social media as being part of your email signature, especially since your social media at this point in your life may not be very professional. When you get older and you have a job, a lot of times you have social media that shows a lot of the things that you do in your job, and that could be a good thing to put on your email signature. So if your social media is something that may or may not look good for you professionally, that's something you want to avoid when setting up your email signature. So in this case, I would definitely shy away from putting your nickname, maybe some groups that you may be involved with, and unprofessional looking social media accounts.